Ganda naman ng view. Ito daw na mountains na nakikita namin. Ito yung nandun sa 1,000 Taiwanese dollar bill nila.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yan, good morning. We are at our second stop this morning.
的历史的2700 years old.
This is apparently the biggest tree in Alishan and it's 2,700 years old. 85 meters lang pababa. So,
Ikaw na lang.
okay.
Ayun, kaya.
Okay, hindi na sila sasama. Kasi maputik. Tsaka medyo umaambon.
又开叉遐里你知道？
Okay.
你开叉打死你啊！用前景，你每个
Hello, tree.
用前景。
That tree is so magnificent. With the hotel that we booked, the breakfast is included, so we're headed now. This is the weirdest breakfast. Yan, umaraw na on our second day sa Alishan. Sarado pa ang mga shops dito. Pero pupunta na kami sa aming next destination. Of course, brought to you by Tripod. This is obviously more than a 5-seater, pero it's okay kasi mas komportable ang mga senior citizens. So this is a 2 to 3 hour ride. Supposedly magbabus kami ng 1 p.m. The one and only bus going from Alishan to Sun Moon Lake. So this is more comfortable and mas mabilis kami makakarating. 12:30 hopefully. We made it! Nandito na tayo sa hotel number 3, Sun, Moon and Tea Bed and Breakfast. Yung owner si Miss Wendy. She's very nice and accommodating. And ito yung first hotel namin na merong elevator. So, masaya naman ang mga senior. Here we are. Yan, with my parentals, the seniors. Naglalakad na kami papuntang Shui Shi Pier para ipapalit yung QR code. Shui Shi Pier. Yung binili ko na ticket sa Klook pala. Medyo may walking distance pa yung Redemption Center. Malapit lang naman din. Pero, na-miss na namin yung 1:40 p.m. bus.
Ay, doon, be. Halika na.
Okay.
Yun eh.
Okay. Sige, nag-iya si Mama. Suda lang tayo.
Doktor yun.
Pinapalitan ni Mama yung ticket namin sa isang random
Hindi
stranger.
Siya na ang ano dito.
Pero sige, sasakay na kami
Hindi
since
na kayo
nandito na
request
kami. Binigay niya lang yung ticket namin.
Lahat ganito yung ticket nila.
Ah. Off to our first pier. Ayaw ni Mama bumaba.
Itataw.
We transferred immediately to the next.
Yes.
We're just going to go to Itatao, which supposedly has yung mga street food.
Yeah, we will eat our snack there.
We are now at San Moon Lake. Yan. Day 1, saan tayo pupunta?
Day one?
Where did we go during our first day in Taiwan?
Yun na yun.
Chiho.
Okay, 1 point. On our second day, saan tayo pumunta?
Alishan. Alishan.
Alishan. And on our third day, nasa na tayo ngayon?
Ito na sa
Sa-
那我们这艘船的船名
Umulan na naman. Nandito na kami sa Itatao Pier. Ang ganda dito sa San Moon Lake.
Kahit ibang boat na sasakyan natin.
Yes.
Oo, kasi every 30 minutes meron namang boat. So, basta hawakan mo lang yung coupon mo,
Oo.
yung ticket mo, pwede kang sumakay. Saan na tayo? Saan tayo pupunta? Ay, ito na! I think nandyan yung mga street food. Okay. Oh, tapos.
Ano yung milk tea?
Ito ma, ayan o, may meat. Ano ba? Try natin. Ano ma?
Pagkatabi.
Ah, sarap. Ang init.
Ano yung tea?
Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, paubos na siya. But, ang sarap. Kailangan ko ng kanin. Kanin. Chicken wings. Chicken wings. Tapos may sticky rice sa loob. Ang sarap. Ang laki ng chicken wings. Amazing. Sarap. May din ka na egg tart.
Ay, sige na kain mo.
Ayaw
Pag nagustuhan
mamili.
ni Ma'am Ching, kailangan hindi na may bigay si Ma'am Ching pag nagustuhan.
Samurai ko.
Yeah. Although maraming mga shops na closed kasi siguro dahil naulan. But ngayon, umaraw na. Quite nice actually. Skippable daw, but it's actually pretty nice around the lake. A few minutes walk from Sri Shave Pier.
si Papa.
Yan, so meron kaming discount coupon sa tapat lang ng B&B. Okay. Can I try first? Okay, ito na yung bicycle lane. Ayan o. Day 2 at Sun Moon Lake. Very beautiful morning at Sun Moon Lake. We are on the bicycle path. Sweet naman. Meron pang saging. Come on. And siguro tea.
Ang bilis. Yan. So, naka-check out na kami from Sun Moon Tea B&B.
Hello.
For this morning, our tripod is a Toyota Corolla Cross. It's quite spacious naman. And our driver is Mr. Kenshi. He's arrived on time. Very, very good. Okay, update for today.
Naiwan yung bag niya, small bag na with important documents.
Sa sobrang saya dun sa car ride papunta dito sa Taichung, naiwan ni Papa yung sling bag niya. Ayan, nilapag sa sahig.
Naiwan.
May iwan dito sa Taiwan.
Nung tinawagan agad namin, tapos sabi niya, you wait for me. Okay pa naman, makaka-uwi pa ng Pilipinas ang dalawang senior kong kasama.
That is cute. So, a kind stranger helped me na makuha tong drink.